Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got another limited edition unboxing to share with you, and it's a brand new box from Lookfantastic, and it's the Singles Day edit. This is what the box looks like. It's a little bit bigger than the usual boxes. It's on sale now. It retails for £50 and it has a value of £170. If you're a subscriber to the monthly beauty box, then you can get it for £40, which is added at checkout. I have a code that you can use if you're not a subscriber that will entitle you to £5 off. I'll pop it down below in my description, as well as links to this box and all the other limited editions that Lookfantastic currently have available on their website, as well as all my discount codes and offers to other websites and any giveaways I've got currently running. This video is sponsored by Lookfantastic. They kindly sent me this box out to me so that I can share with you, and yeah, I'd love to hear your thoughts, so please comment down below what you think of this one. I've just opened it up, but there's lots of like paper worms in there, so I was going to give you a bit of a sneak peek, but you can't see much. You get a card with a QR code so you can scan for more information, so that's what I'll do. It says, to indulge in a moment of self-care with 8 beauty wellness treats, 3 full sizes in our exclusive Singles Day edit, designed to give yourself a little love and make you feel fantastic. Starting off, we've got some eye masks from Shiseido. This is Vital Protection Uplifting and Firming Express Eye Mask. And this retails for £12. These retail for... This is a full-size item and can be bought for £12.50. These are enriched with retinol, which work to reduce dark circles and to firm the eye area. The lighting isn't very great. It's so dark here, so I've had to film in this little corner just so I can get enough fake light, because the window is really dark. So apologies if the lighting keeps on going a bit funny, but yeah. Next, we've got NEOM Organics. This is a uplifting hand balm, wild mint and mandarin. This is lovely. I've tried this before. Scent to make you happy, and there's 100 mils here. It retails for £21. It contains shea butter, which is really nourishing. Try a little bit on my hand. There. Just rub it all in. I love NEOM. It's such a gorgeous brand. I've got loads of the candles. I love the smell. It's so nice. Oh, it's so lovely. It's so nice. It feels nice on my hand as well. I knew it would be because I've had this before. But yeah, so we've got a really nice sort of uplifting, what was it, mandarin? I know it's mint. Was it mandarin? Yeah, mint and mandarin hand balm. Then we got some Elizabeth Arden. These are Advanced Light Ceramide Capsules, Strengthening and Refining Serum. There's 7 capsules in total, so we got like a week's worth there. And these are worth £11.20. See the little capsules that you just break the top off, which is no wastage. They do retinol, hyaluronic acid. Yeah, they do quite a few. It says, nourish, refine and rebalance for healthy looking skin with a natural radiant glow. The serum delivers barrier strengthening and skin refining power in just 1 dose. Next, we've got Drunk Elephant. We've got a Ceramide AF eye balm to cushion and strengthen. 3% ceramide blend, 10% plant omega lipid complex. There's 5 mils there. It says a cushiony, deeply replenishing eye balm with barrier strengthening ceramides, omega-rich plant oils and fatty acids, and powerful antioxidant compounds. It delivers deep, long-lasting moisture, reinforces the skin barrier and restores elasticity, and soothes tired, dry skin around the eyes for a refreshed, well-rested look. And this eye cream is worth £11.33. I haven't tried this one, so this is new for me. I love Drunk Elephant. Absolutely obsessed with their cleansers and cleansing balms. Yeah, really nice. So yeah, a Ceramide AF eye balm. Next, we've got Emma Hardie. This is a Brilliance facial oil, and there's 30 mils there. This is full size and retails for £39. It's equipped with 9 essential oils to help deliver radiance and elasticity. And I can't open it now. My hands have got the hand balm on. There, managed it. Let's try a little bit on my hand there, on top. I absolutely love the smell. It's so nice. Look how glowy my hand is. I tend to mix facial oils in the winter months in with my moisturiser and at night. So yes, we got a Radiance facial oil there. Next, we got a product by Ralons. This is an Instant Recharge Renewal Mask. There's 15 mils here and is worth £32. The Ultimate Multi-Action Mask, formulated with a potent blend of 5% lactobionic acid, 5% lactic acid and enzymes to encourage skin renewal with immediately visible results. You can use 1 to 3 times a week, and you apply a good amount to your face and leave on for 15 minutes. It reveals smoother, softer, healthier looking skin. Next we've got something for your hair. This is Philip Kingsley Maximizer Root Boosting Spray. There's 60 mils here. As well as root lifting, it contains a heat activated formula that helps to protect the hair from damage and environmental damage and things like that. This size is worth £12. And then lastly, we've got a product from Rodial. I love this. I love this first time I've seen this. Look at that. This is a deluxe glass powder and there's 5.5 grams there. It's worth £25. So I've just taken the seal off. Just put a little bit on my hand there. I'm obsessed with the low lighters. I love, oh, there's so many Rodial products that I really, really love. And I haven't tried this one, so this is new. So it's a glass powder. What's it say about it then? Innovation Glass Microsphere Technology encourages radiance and works to blur imperfections as it sets into your makeup. I got it all over my knees now and I'm wearing black trousers. Never mind. So there you go, so those are all the products inside this year's singles beauty box from Lookfantastic. I'll just go through them all, giving you a bit of a recap. So we've got a Shiseido eye mask, got a NEOM uplifting hand balm, we've got a Philip Kingsley Maximizer, a root lift spray, we've got an Emma Hardie Brilliance facial oil, we've got a Ralons Instant Recharge facial mask. We've got 7-day new Advanced Light Ceramide capsules by Elizabeth Arden. We've got Drunk Elephant Ceramity AF, a eye balm. And lastly, Rodial Glass Powder, a setting powder. The box costs £50 and it has a value of £170. If you're a subscriber, you can get it for £40. Plus, I have a code for non-subscribers, so you can get it for £45. As I said at the start, all the information will be listed down below. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Have you bought it for yourself? Are you thinking, shall I, shan't I? All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below and I'll see you in my next video. Take care. Bye.